Imagine clearing every single charging brick off your desk and replacing them with this. This is the 300-watt, 10-in-1 GaN3 charging station, and it's an absolute beast for Apple users. Your audience at 5-Star Gadget Gallery always asks for useful tech, and it doesn't get more useful than this. The core of this device is the GaN3 technology. Why does that matter? It means you get massive power, specifically a 65-watt USB CPD port without the heat or the bulk. It's powerful enough to fast charge your MacBook Pro while simultaneously topping off your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods wirelessly. Look at the port selection here. You aren't just getting wireless pads, you're getting multiple USB-C and USB-A ports to handle everything from your drone batteries to your iPad. For the digital nomads watching, this is the one-and-done solution for your travel bag. No more hunting for 5 different outlets in a hotel room. While I don't have this in studio yet, the specs alone make it one of the most interesting Amazon finds this month. If you're tired of the cable clutter, this 300-watt station might be your new best friend. Let me know in the comments, would you trust this to power your entire Apple setup? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more high-utility tech reviews.